Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. I wanted to say welcome and thanks to my new watchers and subscribers. Welcome my returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming, and thank you so much my members for your continued support and for coming and watching my videos. So, wanted to show you guys today. Yes, I did it. I rejoined the Mary Maxim monthly crochet kit club. I decided that I really liked the kit that they had the month before with the purse, which I wasn't able, which I didn't get, but I do have yarn. I do have the same yarn that was in that kit. And I decided I really liked this kit with the planters and this type of like tape. It's like a tape kind of yarn. I'll show you guys. I had seen Dee from Dee's Creative Hands do her unboxing for her, Mary Maxim monthly mystery bags, and I thought they both looked really cool, so I did that. So if you haven't checked out her channel, please go and check out her channel. And why am I wearing this? Well, it'll make more sense. So this kit for this month, well, actually for last month, right? It was the month of April. Uses the Yarnspirations Burnett Swedish yarn, which they actually sell on their website. And Lion Brand actually has a very similar yarn. I think this has not been discontinued yet. I can't remember. I didn't check because I had this in my stash. So this is the Rewind Tape yarn from Lion Brand, which is also classified as a 5 bulky. And I made this hat a few years ago with it, which I think came out really nice, personally. I know it's a little floppy. The pattern called, if you wanted to, put like a metal wire in there. I had done like a leather band here and the gussets, but the gussets, like the metal ones, didn't stay well. And I had put my own little like brand tag. But it's great for traveling because you can just, it's like floppy, right? So you can just throw it anywhere. And then, you can kind of bend it and shape it to however you want, which is cool. And it stays. I think maybe I should have done a smaller gauge. And this pattern is from Make and Do Crew. I'll try to find the pattern and put the link for it in the description box below. But I figured seeing an actual project made with a similar, pretty much almost the same type of yarn would be helpful for you guys to see the kit. And that's why when I saw that I was using that yarn, I'm like, oh, that's really cool. I would love to try Yarnspirations' take on it. So the Lion Brand one is called the Rewind Tape yarn. This colorway is Citronella. I can't remember the name for this colorway. This is a different colorway. It's like more tan. You see they're not the same colors. And this one's more golden yellow. I don't know if that's coming up in the camera. And it is a 3.5 ounce skein at 100 grams, 219 yards or 200 meters. It's classified as a bulky 5-weight yarn, which so is the Yarnspirations one, but you actually get less yardage in their skein. And it recommends a 6.5 millimeter knitting needles and a K 10.5, which is a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. It's made of 70% polyester and 30% viscose. Machine wash, lay flat to dry. And then they have, that free pattern for that top. I have never washed it, even though I made it like a while ago and wore it and used it on vacation. I will say that hat that I made with it is very warm. So I actually had to make myself like a cotton sun hat for when I was going to the beach and places like that, because this yarn was way too warm to make a hat out of. And the thing I didn't like about the Lion Brand one when I was working on it, it is very soft. It's very silky. It's like a ribbon, kind of like a tape yarn. But this one actually breaks pretty easily when you pull it, and it'll tear, to like rip off. Trust me, it did while I was working with it. Now, of course, it's not doing it because I'm on camera, right? Love how that goes. So, and that's what I just read to you guys here. Hello, focus camera. There we go. And now to show you the kit. So I decided, and now I'm blurry, I decided to re-sign up. So if I recall, it was like $18.99 for the kit for the month. And you get charged, I think, like $4.99, something like that, for the shipping. So it comes out to about $25, $24 around there a month. And I'm in the US. So this yarn is made in China, just so you know. The Lion brand tape rewind yarn. Yes, so the kit comes with these 4 skeins to make what they call an earthkin baskets. So this is the pattern. It's really cute. It's actually enough yarn to make 4 baskets. So I had looked it up. I think the yarn retails for around $5 or $6 a skein, which then is like just $25 just for the yarn, not counting the pattern or the very cool project plastic zipper bag, the clear plastic zipper bag. So I thought at least this was worth its value. And there, yeah, you see 2025 crochet, which means they're Crochet Kit Club. I guess it's 7 inches tall. And they're like the outside baskets to put outside the pots. Yeah, and they have the pattern. They use a J10 6mm or the size that you need for the gauge. And then they have the gauge info. They don't say whether it's hard or easy, but it doesn't look like it's very hard, complicated stitches. They're like some cluster stitches with color changes, working in the round, and a lot of single crochet stitches. And I guess depending how tight your stitches might be whether or not you have a lot of gaps. So now let's see the yarn. So yes, so it's the Yarnspirations, the Swedish yarn by Bernat. It's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It comes with 179 yards or 164 meters. Like I said, this one had less. This is made of 70% polyester, 30% viscose, and they feel the same, like the same softness. It's really, really similar. Yeah, the material's the same. Care instructions at see reverse side. This one said machine wash, lay flat to dry. This one here, I guess you have to look inside the label, which I can't really see in there. But it looks like it's the same, kind of no dryer, no iron, and wash it. That's what the label says there. And it's also classified as a bulky 5-weight yarn. They recommend US 10 size knitting needles, which are 6mm, or a US J10 6mm crochet hook. This colorway is called Tusk, and this is also made in China. And they actually provide you the free pattern for that very pretty pillow on the pattern label. And now let's see how similar they are. I feel like the Yarnspirations Swedish one is a little like tougher, but that could just be me. It's a little like less wide because it's thin yarn. It's just sort of wide, not thick. So I guess they're accounting for the yarn weight, what it's, you know, sideways width is. So yeah, so look, they're about the same. Maybe the Lion brand one being a little less wide, but very, very similar. I know the Lion brand one is like almost it's very close to my skin tone, so it's hard to see it. So yeah. So the next one, this green, really pretty green, is called the Cypress, and it's the same specifications, and this is the stuff I read to you guys. This really pretty brown one is called Mahogany. That's appropriate. And then this dark kind of gray charcoal color, I think it's called Suit. Yeah, and this is Suit. Very pretty color. The sweater in that would be really pretty. It would be really warm though. So these are the 4 colors outside of the bag. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy and take care. Bye.